absolutely wonderful.
To the light and meet me in the shade of yesterday.
Alright, tonight we're having the dinner at the famous Gordon Ramsay restaurant in London. Let's check it out. Yeah.
Daytime, half the light, and we're half the light. We're half the light.
Wow, it's really cool.
Half the night, daytime, half the light, and we're half the light. We're half the light. Love that scent, marking our presence. But where are we? I love that sound, floating round the treetops. Let it loose, run through the night and run to the light and meet me in the shade of yesterday. A generation's lost, blinded by the cost. We ended up with nothing. Half the night, daytime, half the light, and we're half the light.